Lots of friends ask me where to buy dog with hat, so I thought I'll make a video about it. First, make a Netcoins account. It's one of the fastest and safest platforms to buy crypto in Canada and US, and they are now expanding to more states in the US. It is regulated and you can fund your account by e-transfer. Tick all the boxes here. Log into your online bank account and initiate an Interac e-transfer. Remember to put in your memo in your e-transfer. Once you fund your account, click Trade to buy Solana. Click Buy. With Netcoins, you can set a limit order for your buys. Once you have Solana, click Transfer to withdraw to Phantom Wallet. Choose the option Crypto, then select Solana and the amount you want to withdraw. This is where you type in your Phantom Wallet address. Phantom is a crypto wallet. You can download it from the App Store if you don't already have it. The first time you set up Phantom Wallet, you have to write down your key phrases. After the setup, you want to receive the Solana from Netcoins. Click Receive. Now copy and paste your Solana Phantom Wallet address here in Netcoins app. Follow the confirmation in the app and the Solana coins will show up in your Phantom Wallet. This may take a few minutes. Once you're done, click the bottom right browser button. Then select Jupiter Decentralized Exchange and connect Jupiter to your Phantom Wallet. After that, you should get a wallet connected notification. Once connected, you are ready to buy Solana meme coins. Click Limit Order at the top. Always verify token address to ensure you're buying the right coin. And always set limit orders just to be safe. So now you confirm your order and you're all set. On a side note, you can also use the same method to buy with USDC instead of Solana. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe or share with your friends.